Everyone, I am here today with Anastasia, who I met at an event a few months ago. It was organized by Najahi, and she told me to come to the office today so she could show me what she has for me. The product that I'm looking at, you probably saw a post before this video and talked about water and the benefits of water, but we all know, unfortunately, there's the side effects of water in the plastic bottles we get today. And Anastasia today is going to tell me more about Kangen water, or Kangen water, whatever you want to call it. And it's from Japan. And the benefits to this water is on another level. You see right now. You're wondering what Anastasia looks like?
Hi.
There you go. So, Anastasia, it's all yours.
You know that the best water for drinking is from natural springs, so for example holy water. And back in last centuries, Japanese scientists decided to study this water and create something similar for those who cannot afford to get it every day. So they studied the hot springs water and created a technology that can replicate the properties of such water. So Kangen water, Kangen means return to origin in Japanese, has three main properties: antioxidation, alkalinization, and so the first property is antioxidation, and you know that we oxidize on each and every second due to free radicals. If we look at the simple stuff like tomatoes, you will see the oxidation process very quickly. Did you know that water goes through exactly the same process, from good to bad, from fresh to expired? Not many people know that. Unfortunately, that's the truth. It takes 3 to 5 days for the water to lose its original properties. Can you imagine?
Yes. Just say this part again.
So if the ORP number for the water is positive, it means it's oxidizing our body. If it is negative, it has antioxidant effect or anti-aging effect on our body.
So that means you don't need to go and spend so much money on all those anti-aging creams or go and get fillers and Botox and the stuff that clinics are trying to sell today. All you need to do is drink clean water. We have local water, okay? We have water that people like to buy from Turkey, and we think it's cool because it's like low sodium. Obviously, the poison of the world, carbonated drinks, and we have Kangen water.
So we measure ORP or oxidation reduction potential with this device called ORP meter. And if you see the positive number, you will know that the water is oxidizing you. If you see negative number, it means it has antioxidants.
So now we're going to test the local water.
So let's start. Sample number 1.
237. What does that mean? It means it's aging. Now we're trying sample number 2. So this is the water we get from Turkey. And look at that, 274. Again, it's plus, so it's positive. So it is causing aging. We're going to check out the carbonated drink. Oh my goodness, it's 423. So it's even beyond the scale. And that shows you the harmful effect of carbonated drinks. I'm going to go to Kangen water, and you can see it's minus 700. Look at that.
Because it's just collected fresh from the machine. The fresher it is, the better for you. We are going to talk about the pH. As you know, pH scale starts from 0 to 14 with 7 in the neutral, and whatever is below 7 is considered to be an acidic environment, and above 7 alkaline environment. The problem nowadays with the diet is that it's mostly acidic. The food that we are eating, fast food or even all processed food, chicken, meat, rice, it's all acidic. On the alkaline side, we only have garden fresh fruits and vegetables. About the water, is it adding acidity or it's able to neutralize the acidity in our body? We are going to check that with the liquid pH test. It's going to change the color of the water according to the pH scale. So let's check sample number 1. As you can see, it's light green, close to the neutral. Sample number 2. Let's check. As you can see, it's also pretty good solid green color, slightly bluish, so we can see it's slightly alkaline, maybe due to natural minerals. Sample number 3. Guys, if you drink this, please pay close attention because this is absolutely not recommended for you. You see the pH very close to the bottom, very acidic stuff. This is Kangen water, and immediately you can see a very beautiful purple color. The pH of this sample is 9.5. The machine is producing 3 levels of pH, 9.0 and 8.5 as well for the individual needs.
So far, because of the fact that we have so much acidity in our food and this ridiculous like local water or whatever other water that we get, it's causing all these different diseases like acid reflux and acidity in our system. One of the most interesting discoveries is, of course, cancer. And I know a lot of people in my life that have somebody in their family affected by cancer, and really it's all about lifestyle and the things that we consume.
Back in the last century, it was discovered by Dr. Warburg that cancer has 2 main conditions why it comes into human body. First one is acidosis, which is excessive acidity due to the wrong food we are eating and wrong drinks we are drinking. Of cancer is hypoxia or lack of oxygen. In other words, it's dehydration. So Dr. Warburg said that cancerous tissues are always acidic and healthy tissues are always alkaline. So it's important to maintain a very healthy pH balance. Let me show you how Kangen water can help you to maintain a healthy balance. Let's say you start drinking Kangen water, and this is what it does. It helps you to restore the healthy pH balance and keep you on a safe side. And how about soda? If you are a fan of this, watch. These drinks are so much acidic that I will need to take 32 cups of Kangen water just to neutralize 1 cup of a soda drink. Imagine how strong. If your kids are drinking this, please show them this, because kids are by nature slightly alkaline. Once they start consuming this is what it's doing to their bodies. That's why we have a lot of diseases among young children nowadays. Next, let's talk about the hydrating properties of the water. Normal water or bottled water or filtered water cannot hydrate us the way it's supposed to because it has a very bulky molecular structure. The water has to be restructured. In our body, the water has to be restructured, and this is what Kangen machine exactly is doing. It's making it microclustered, which allows you to have instant hydration, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how it happens. So in order to demonstrate that, I'm going to try to make tea with the normal water. It's a room temperature water and a bag of a green tea. As you can see, the tea is not coming out because first we need to boil the water. Repeat the same with the room temperature water, but Kangen water, which is microclustered. At first, you might see that nothing is happening, but watch. So remember Dr. Warburg and second reason of getting cancer, dehydration. This is how Kangen water is hydrating you immediately. Within 30 seconds it hydrates the cells of your brain, and within 10 minutes it hydrates the cells of your skin. Sensitive issue, especially in the hot country as UAE, is the plastic bottles. You know that a lot of them are being exposed to direct hot sun, and in the high temperature the chemical reaction happens with the plastic and the chemicals are enriched. So what happens under the high temperature, the chemicals that are there in the plastic bottle are enriching into the water. That's why we recommend you to switch to the good plastic with BPA free. So what I just demonstrated to you is only one type of water, drinking water, that machine is producing. In fact, it's producing 5 different types of water for different purposes. For the external beauty care, for removing pesticides from your food, for disinfecting your skin and surfaces in the house, and for preparing the formulas for babies. In fact, 5 different types for different uses. And if you liked what you saw just now and you want to know more how to get this device for your family or to learn about more properties of the water, you can contact me and follow me at the address you see.